Hello there, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna do something awesome with my bike. That is, I'm gonna wash it, which is always a pleasurable experience. And then I'm gonna apply a new product that I found on Instagram. I'll be talking about that in just a few seconds. But before that, let me just show you how the bike looks right now. Like it's been quite some time since I cleaned the bike, so it's pretty dirty right now. And you can see over here all the dirt and mud and all everything, but I wouldn't say it's really dirty, but it's high time that I clean my bike. It's been like a month or so since I last cleaned it, and I really need to take proper care of the bike. And you can see over here how the chain sparker looks. It's really dirty, man. So I have to clean all of this. And yeah, you can see like here it's muddy and stuff, so I'm gonna have to clean all of this, and then I'm gonna apply the product that I was talking about. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking right now and show you guys the contents of the box that the whole product came in, and let's see how it looks, and let's see what to do next. So I gotta say, it's a pretty clean looking box, and when I opened inside, it's also pretty nice packaging. It's pretty simple, and you guys can see we got some cards over here, probably the instructions and safety manuals over here. Okay, it does the instructions and some kind of general tips and safety, which I'm gonna read just a few minutes from now on. And it says something over here. We love seeing our product in action. Post a reel or story of the product and mention us as well. Yeah, definitely going to do that. So yeah, we got some clothing over here which we have to use to actually apply the thing. And okay, here's the thing in its flesh and blood. Super ceramic coating. It's just a bottle over here with some kind of liquid inside. I don't know what kind of material the liquid is filled with. Okay, it says here. I don't know if you guys can see this exactly. It says permanent protection, scratch resistance, hydrophobic effect, thermal resistant, and anti-graffiti. So I guess it's what they're promising is a pretty good deal. And it says 24 plus months of protection. That's essentially 2 years. So I guess this thing can go on for 2 years without needing to make another coating. So it's probably like a wax coating or something, but they're saying it as a much better thing. And I gotta say, I have never really given a wax coating on my bike before, so I'm thinking if I had to wax this before applying this new ceramic coating, or just wash the whole thing and then do the ceramic coating on just on it. So I'm not sure how to do that. If I had to do the waxing first and then do the ceramic coating, I should just skip the waxing. And I have a big decision to make on that, I guess. I'm going to start applying the super ceramic coating now, but before doing that, like I said, I'm going to start on this section right now, the mud guards and the side bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry the whole thing off once again. I've already done that, like I said before, but just to make sure there are no moistures, I'm just going to try that once more. So and afterwards, I'm gonna start applying the super ceramic coating. And this is a completely new microfiber cloth that I'm using just to dry this off, just to make sure no amount of moisture is there. Okay, okay. Now the fun bit is over. Now comes the hard work, and I hope I don't fumble this up. No? And so here is the kit. So here is the, I don't know what to say. What is this? It kind of looks like a cube. It's a spongy material. This bit is hard, but we have a soft core material over here, like a sponge. So it was said in the instruction manual, like I said before, I have to like wrap the clothing that is given on this side and then gently apply some drops of the coating and then go in a horizontal manner, like horizontal and vertical, like this and this probably. So I'm gonna just start doing that right now. Okay, I guess everything is as dry as it can be. Nothing of a mistake is possible at this time. Okay, so there are two clothes given here, and I'm going to use only one of them for now. So this is going to be a bit tricky. I thought the cloth would be much smaller than this. Maybe I should cut this down. Uh, Maybe not. Okay, so I think I got this right now. No, this is how it looks right now. I can try it like this. Okay, so guys, I just completed most of the works right now, and the only thing left for the first coating is to damp off this side bit. So after that is done, I'm just gonna stay put for the while, and after about an hour or so, I'm gonna give the second coating. I'm gonna stop with two coatings, and then it says that we have to wait for like 2 days really to have the maximum efficiency out of this, like to actually see the effectiveness of this coating. So I'm gonna wait for the next 2 days. So guys, it's been 2 days since I finished coating my bike with a super ceramic liquid coating, and now you guys can see how the bike looks. So, just on first look it doesn't feel much difference, but you can see that it's a lot shinier than it used to be. That I'm pretty confident about. But other than that, about hydrophobic coating, I'll have to Just wait and see. I have to pour some water on it and check if the coating actually works for now. So let's get to it. So here I have a water outlet on my hand, and let's see how the coating actually works. And oh my god, I'm actually pretty amazed at how this works actually. So you guys can see here, right? Oh my god, this is so awesome, and it really works as promised. Hydrophobic coating is absolutely awesome, and I'm guessing if there is any dirt here, it would just swipe away with just water without any additional need for any washing or anything. It will be so easier now. Okay, you guys can see here, right? And I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with how this actually works. Okay, there is some kind of smudge over here, and I'm pretty sure that can be wiped off with a microfiber clothing. So as you can see, I'm pretty satisfied with this. So if you guys are interested in checking out this product, then I will give the link below in the description so that you guys can check it out. And if you guys are interested in checking it out, then by all means go to the website. You can have full confidence on buying this and applying this on your bike. And they're actually saying that it lasts for 2 years, but I'm not sure about the 2 years guarantee for this. But I do sure hope that it lasts for 2 years. That'd be really awesome if it does last for 2 years. So I would like to show you guys this for one last time. You can see here, right? There's absolutely no amount of water apart from the small droplets, which can be wiped off like this. It's that easy, guys. That easy. So this is a life changer for me in terms of washing the bike. So I'm signing off for now. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe to the video channel if you haven't already, and share this video with all your friends. And yeah, make sure to say subscribe and have fun, guys. Have fun.